Hey guys, it's Kurt with Kurt Travels. I am here in the beautiful Florida Keys and we're in Bahia Honda today. And this is actually an amazing site because the old bridge, part of the overseas railroad that Henry Flagler built, is here. It's a span of over 5,500 feet, and it was actually the hardest bridge to construct between Miami and Key West. That had to do with the channel. It is very deep, over 30 feet. The currents are swift. That bridge opened in 1912 for railroad traffic, and about 1935, roughly after the storm, it was converted into automotive traffic. So let's go take a peek at this amazing piece of Florida Keys history.